Hello, my name is Gerald Espinoza. I'm a clinical specialist with PunMeca USA. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a patient in PunMeca's Romexis software. Once you open up the Romexis software, it'll take you to the patient management screen. Next, we will left-click Add Patient to take us to the next screen to enter our patient's information. The three minimum requirements will be indicated in bold text. Those will be person ID, first name, and last name. Your person ID may have been turned off or can be turned off in the Romexis configuration settings. I'm going to go ahead and left click into the field for the person ID and enter my patient's personal ID number. I'm going to left click into the field for the first name and enter my patient's first name. Again, left click into the field for the patient's last name and enter their last name there. Once I filled out the minimum requirements, I can left click the save icon. From here, I could go to the left and open up my other modules, or I could go to close patient to go into the previous screen. Thanks for watching How to Enter a Patient in PunMeca's Romexis software.